In today's video, we're going to see how you can transfer funds from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So it's a pretty simple process, which I will exhibit right here using these screenshots. So first of all, what you need to do is you'll open your Bitget Wallet. When you open your Bitget Wallet, this is the home screen that you'll see with your send, receive, trade, and buy options and other options right below. From here, you'd want to select the receive option. After you receive, you will see this. These are all the tokens that you can receive. You can go with Ethereum, you can go with any other, you can go with USDT. Let's say you choose one of your choice. The process will be same for any cryptocurrency. So let's say you choose USDT. Now you're going to see a QR code and you're going to see this text as well when you press on it. When you press on it, what you'll do is you will copy this text. Now, this text is basically your address, and using this address, you can receive funds into your Bitget wallet from your Bitget exchange. So, what you're going to do next is you're going to open Bitget Exchange. When you open Bitget Exchange, this is the screen that you're going to see. From here, you'll go on Assets. Assets is at your bottom right corner. You will press on Assets, and from here you will withdraw since you are withdrawing from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. When you press on Withdraw, from here you will choose USDT. You need to make sure that you choose the same cryptocurrency in Bitget Wallet and Bitget Exchange. If you use different, that would mean that the transaction would fail. So you need to be careful about that. From there, you have an option of on-chain withdrawal and internet transfer. From internal transfer and on-chain withdrawal, you'll choose on-chain withdrawal. And from here, you will choose a withdrawal network, which in this case, of course, since you're using USDT, it will be Ethereum. But of course, if you're using another currency, the withdrawal network could be different according to you. Now, when you choose your cryptocurrency, which you need to make sure is the same as your Bitget wallet, and when you choose your network as well, you will add the withdrawal address. Now, the withdrawal address is what you copied right here. So you will just paste that right over here. Then you will press on the withdrawal amount and add how much you want to withdraw. And from there, it's just simple. You will press on withdraw. That's literally all there is to it, and it's a very simple process. And if you follow these steps, you will be able to transfer from your Bitget exchange to your Bitget wallet. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.